decision making and its changes in community. So first of all, I would get started with like what is decision making. Decision making is, in similar terms, decision making is the process of choosing a term or a place or something that is possible for you, that can choose, that can you can choose or make a decision about a thing or about an issue. And decision making is a powerful tool that helps you bring peace, and justice in your community, and builds more relationship among people in a community. And for example, how does it work in a community? Decision making can work in a community like if some people in community are fighting, and they went to the lead of the community. Over there, the lead of the community is making a decision, and giving them, and they're doing analysis on their problem, that what's their problem, and he's identifying evidence, that what is a strong evidence, and identifying the main problem, and resolving it, and bringing peace and justice for people in his community. Like that, decision making is an important tool that can bring peace and justice and failure in our community. The importance of decision making, as I already told you, that decision making is the best tool that can bring peace and justice in our community. Decisions can be taken by individuals or groups in a community or in a country or school. Decisions can be related to health, education, infrastructure, or wildlife protection. Our decision making can also protect our community and our environment. So how it can protect our environment? Through, some people are hunting animals, which can lead to the habitat loss. When people will make a decision and protect the environment, there our wildlife will be more protected, and animals will get extinct. So like that, decision making is important for us, for the environment, and for the animals also. Mind map of decision making, that how you can make a proper decision. First, you need to identify the main problem on that you are making a decision, and then gather information about that problem, and make the decision that can benefit others in a positive way, and evaluate the options, that whose evidence is more strong, or who's talking like fairly with each other, and then take action. Finally, you need to take action, and give the evidence, and show that in a community, for example, two like people are fighting on a house, like this is my house, or like that. So the community lead is identifying, like gathering the information, and some people are giving him the evidence and the reports of their or the like things of the person's house. If the community lead make a better decision, it will benefit his community and the people who are living in that community. Like that, there will be more peace and justice in a community, and it can also benefit the community's economic growth. How does responsibility and decision making connect with each other? Decision making and responsibility can connect with each other. Like when people will make responsible decision making, the community will grow more better. There will be more peace. People will build more in relationship with each other. And then in a community there will be more failure with each other. People will stop fighting it, and decision making help us to avoid like conflicts among people and like that things. So now my friend Saklen